So if you're facing a problem where your camera is not working for Google Meet, this might be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you can do is simply go ahead and check if there are any updates pending, because if there are pendings or if there are updates due, then you might be facing this problem. Open your App Store or Play Store depending on the device you're using and simply go ahead and search for Google Meet. Once you've done that, tap on the application. If there are any updates available, there's going to be an update button instead of the open button right over here. If that is not the case, here's a very effective way you can fix it. Simply go ahead and open your settings and then go down to General, and then you want to scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and reset all settings. It's going to ask you for your PIN. Simply go ahead and enter that, and that will definitely fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, then you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.